As a manager in Dayforce, you access tools for team oversight, approvals, scheduling, time tracking, and more through the web portal, dayforcehcm.com, or your company-specific URL or mobile app. Log in with your manager credentials, often employee ID plus password or SSO, key manager responsibilities and features, approve requests, review and approve or deny time off, TAFW, shift trades or absence requests, go to actions or approvals, pending items, select request, approve or deny with comments, use the mobile app for quick approvals on the go, manage team schedules, use the scheduling module, My Work or Workforce Management, to create, view, edit, and optimize employee schedules. Check compliance rules, staffing needs, and labor costs with real-time insights. Timesheet and attendance. Oversight, review, adjust, and authorize employee timesheets, My Team timesheets. Monitor attendance, handle exceptions, and ensure accurate payroll data. Team and employee management. Access your direct reports via My Team or People tab. View profiles, performance data, balances, PTO and accruals, and basic HR info, employment, pay rates. Notifications and messaging. Check messages and notifications for pending actions. Respond to employee queries or broadcast updates.